With over 9,000 uniquely configured designs, Key-Pak by Keystone Folding Box is the most widely used CR medication packaging solution on the market. Introduced in 2003, Key-Pak is a secure, simple, and cost-effective fold-over blister card that offers exceptional ease of use. Key-Pak's patented design provides child resistance to each and every dose on the package. While Key-Pak boasts a CR rating of F is equal to 1, the highest possible child-resistant rating, it also ranks outstanding during senior-friendly testing, with 100% of those tested gaining access to their medication. A dose can be accessed in 3 simple steps. First, press on a safety tab next to the dose desired. Second, turn the card over and pull away a protective strip. This fully exposes the back of the dose to be taken. Finally, the medication is easily pushed through the exposed foil. All remaining doses are secured inside the packaging, ensuring that vulnerable children are well protected from accidental poisoning. Key-Pak is commonly used with both clinical trial materials and with marketed medications. In clinical trials, both Phase 2 and 3 studies use Key-Pak to effectively blind the study subjects from what they are taking. The compliance prompting design of the package helps promote adherence to dosing regimens. For example, you can see how each morning and evening dose is easily identified by the use of sun and moon icons, something you can never accomplish with plastic medication bottles. When packaging commercial pharmaceuticals, Key-Pak provides generous space for labeling, instructions, warnings, and daily dose indicators, features that bottles just don't offer. Assembly of the Key-Pak packaging can be accomplished on any industry-standard heat seal equipment. The medication already in a blister is placed inside the card, which is then folded along the crease and sealed. On the topic of sustainability, Key-Pak is primarily manufactured with paperboard and requires just a small fraction of the plastic needed to package medication in bottles. In some cases, we have designed solutions that reduce the need for plastic by as much as 75%. Whether you're in need of a CR package for study medication or commercialized pharmaceutical products, Key-Pak offers exceptional features like no other blister package on the market. Request a sample or learn more from the Keystone website at www.keyboxco.com.